Bonjour tout le monde, Christine here, founder of Simply French Online and creator of the Real French Method. Let's dive into the juicy truth about fruit and their plant names. Here's what you're discovering: the names of fruit and the names of the plant that they come from. And what's more interesting than just the plain facts is the relationship between the two. I've set it up more like a quiz so you can see the rules and try and predict before the answer comes up. If you know anybody who is interested in learning French and would like a free lesson, please share this. Ce n'est pas compliqué finalement. Fruit and their plants, let's dive in. Now the relationship is that basically fruit is generally feminine and the plant is generally masculine. Okay, it's a gross overgeneralization, but actually it's true. The fruit is generally feminine and the plant is generally masculine. In fact, the plant is generally like the fruit and ends in ye. Well, most of the time, just like this. Une pomme, un pommier. But not all, so stick around and you'll see the exceptions at the end. Okay, so how do you say an apple and an apple tree? If you want to pause, because I'm going to go through this quite quickly, make sure as soon as you see the question marks, your finger is on the pause button and you can work it out before you see the answer. And now you've had time, so here we go. Une pomme, un pommier. A plum and a plum tree. Don't forget to pause. Une prune, un prunier. And how do you say nectarine and a nectarine tree? Une nectarine, un nectarinier. Let's try banana and banana tree. Don't forget to pause. Une banane, un bananier. Cherry and cherry tree is une cerise, un cerisier. It's all following the rules so far. The fruit is feminine, the tree is masculine. Mango and mango tree. Une mangue, un manguier. And the same for coconut and coconut tree. Or is it? Take care on this one. Une noix de coco, un cocotier. It's quite different. And walnut and walnut tree. Again, we're going to experience a little difference here. Une noix, un noyer. Une noix and un noyer for the tree. And what about a pear and a pear tree? No partridges, don't start. Une poire, un poirier. And out of interest, this made me laugh. How do you say to do a headstand? Don't forget to pause if you want to work it out. Here we go. Me voilà au lac de Gaube, dans les Pyrénées. Je fais le poirier. So here I am at the lac de Gaube, which is near Cotteret in the Pyrenees Mountains near here. And I'm doing a headstand. Je fais le poirier. I'm doing a pear tree. A raspberry in a raspberry bush comes out as une framboise, un framboisier. And a strawberry and a strawberry plant. It's nice that the French is pretty logical. You have the fruit and then the plant, and it generally ends in ye. We have bushes, plants, trees. Nightmare. Une fraise, un fraisier. Peach and peach tree follows the rules. Or does it? Une pêche, un pêcher. Not pêchier, un pêcher. Slightly different there. Here's a chance to test. Testez-vous, pause et vérifie Est-ce que tu te rappelles de tous les noms de la plante fruit? Plenty on the page for you to practice there. Pause and then check. Off we go. We've got some exceptions for you. We've got masculine fruit and unexpected plant names, and basically here they are. And I was surprised by some of these, and I have to make an effort that the generalization is great, and then you have to have some exceptions. What is life without exceptions? So it's un kiwi and le kiwi for the fruit and the plant. Un citron, masculine, and le citronnier, which is nice and following the rules. Un abricot, it's masculine. L'abricotier follows the rules. Un melon, masculine, and the plant is le melon. Un raisin blanc comes from the vine, not a grape tree, a grape plant, or a grape bush. C'est la vigne. Et un kaki, here it is. Le plaque minier. Le plaque minier. Sharon fruit and Sharon fruit tree. So, if you enjoyed doing that, hop into Simply French Family, answer the questions on the way in, and put up any questions that you like and you would like to learn with your French, and I am there to help you learn. That is what the group is there for. So you're very welcome to join us, and if you want this lesson and more regularly dropping into your inbox, sign up at simplyfrenchonline.com, and you can always watch the masterclass while you're at it. It's free. So here's a recap. The fruit is generally feminine, the plant is generally masculine, and the plant is generally like the fruit and ends in ier. Une fraise, un fraisier, for example. So there you go. Merci tout le monde. À la prochaine.